is Monday. Looks like we got about 20 minutes before the market opens. We're going to go ahead and click into our Gemini AI. Okay, so it doesn't have access to these pre-market quotes, so it's asking me to take a look at it. And it thinks I'm in Webull, but I'm not. I'm in Tasty, so we'll just swap over to Tasty. And so it looks like the pre-market, we're at a 201.75. Go back to Google. So we'll say AMD is at 201.75. Ask. Okay, so they're saying the whole market's down this morning, 0.8%. Damage control. I got a small airbag. Kill switch 200. So if it breaks below 200, it's saying exit immediately. So I'm obviously that's great advice. So that's what we're going to do here. And let's ask about anything we could trade in the Webull account. Let's see. Let's see what Gemini has to say about that. Um, I'm asking if it can find a good trade, a high probability trade for that account. See what it comes up with. Okay, it's talking about the CPI inflation data drops tomorrow, so the market's basically nervous today. And let's see what it's asking. It says it wants me to do a trade in IWM, a debit spread, a put debit spread, so that's bearish. Not fighting, I'm swimming. January 16th strikes. Well, we could, and it always wants you to wait, which I think is a great idea. It wants you to wait for the morning to settle down a little bit. So we'll go over to Webull and take a look at these IWM and see. Now, I've noticed a lot of times it'll give me a recommendation. I go in there and there's just no money. If it's obviously if it's a credit spread, I've tried it. It's just no money in them sometimes. But this should be interesting. Let's go over and take a look at Webull. Okay, now I'm not real familiar with this interface yet, but we're getting better at it. Let's go to paper trade, options trader, and right here we're gonna look for IWM, Russell. It'll bring it up. So it's up a little actually, and I'm gonna peek over and look at what strikes it said. Okay, that would be the order it told me to do right here. And it's the same cost, which should be more 4 days out. But then again, we are still 9 minutes from the open, and we are going to see what's going to happen with the market once it opens. We're just going to hold here for now. Let's go over to Tasty Trade. Oh, there goes the bell. Let's go back to the trade screen. Let's go to AMD, see if I'm going to have to get out of this trade. Oh yeah, see there, I'm already down 17. It's crashing down. I should definitely close this trade. We'll see. I'm going to hold for a minute. If it goes below the 200, we're going to have to close it and preserve any money we got here. Have to remain disciplined, unlike my past lives, where I would just hope. No hopium here. It does look like there's support at 200, though. Yeah, it's clawing its way back. The trader, the claw trader. That's what we're doing. Hopefully, the market claws for me. The right direction, anyway. Okay, let's check in with Gemini. Let's see what Gemini says. I wonder if I should bail on this as soon as I go green. Yeah, see, I like the charts way better on the web. They're so much cleaner. Do 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 do. Trading is kind of boring, but it's exciting nonetheless. Oh yeah, look here, we're getting back, clawing our way back. Let's go check in with Gemini. What's it saying to do? Status flush. This is bullish. Back into business. Okay. Let it ride. Keep the ticket on, but don't click send. 9:45. So next check 9:45. And see, I got the working against me the time on these options, so they become worth less and less the longer you hold them. So if you don't get your move and get in and get out, you can lose money on the decay, the theta, so to speak. Let's go back to Webull. Okay. Yeah, it's going down. It would have been actually probably a good trade to pull off right away. Um, let's just see what it says now to put it in. It's still 11-cent debit. Um, but I don't know why it's saying zero here. There is prices in there. I'll give you a graph view there. I like the table view better myself. Um, okay, let's go back to Gemini. And see what it said about that. Let that ride, AMD. We want to short. I'm only if this morning rally runs out of gas. If it hits 261.60 and it stops, let me look at the puts. Yeah, it already stopped. Already stopped. It's already down $1.79. Let's tell it that. Okay. Okay, looks like our AMD's got us back in the green. What day do these close? Okay, so these are still good till for 4 more days. And this would not be a day trade if I take this trade because I held this over the weekend. So that'll leave my counter to tick back up. And I just got to decide if it does keep rallying, when to pull my profits and say, hey, that's good. Or maybe as it's going up, move my lock in the profits. I could ask Gemini what's the best way to do that. Um, okay, let's see what we say. Do not chase it. Has been made to risk enter puts down the bottom of the red candle. You're begging, so it's not. Don't want to chase it. Good advice. Wait for the dead cat bounce. They rarely go straight down all day. Wants for the bounce back up. If it hits that and stalls, then you buy the put spread. You'll get a better price and higher probability. If it keeps dropping, we missed it. Let it go. Better to be flat than trapped. I agree. Okay. Uh, okay. Stay focused on AMD. Okay. Good advice. Uh, it's up. Let's tell it. I'll say AMD is. Let's check. Quick check on AMD. So it's at 205. AMD at 205. We'll let Gemini think while this trade does its thing. I guess I'm gonna have to decide what my claw is every day, what my minimum claw is, and do I just take that and be happy and live to fight another day? It's probably the best strategy, and I bet you Gemini would agree with me. If I hit 25 here, just go ahead and take it and just hold for another day. What the hell is Google calling me for? And leave a message. Hang on, I'm gonna pause the recording. Okay, I'm back. It was Google calling me about a Google ad that I don't no longer run. An old business of mine. Used to be a body shop owner in Port Charlotte, Florida. I sold it, and I used that money to build this house we're sitting in. So, and I am in sunny Florida, Southwest Florida. It looks like my trades hit 25 here. I'm gonna check in with Google and see what it thinks. Uh, okay, let's see what we're at here. Ask it when I should take my profit. See if it has any good advice there. Because to me, honestly, it's looking like a good time to take it. But hey, I don't want to get caught in this downturn here and miss out. We'll see. Yeah, I probably should learn how to read these candles better and see where the momentum's going. But uh, okay, it's saying take the money. Uh, and I believe I'm with them on this. We'll see here if this breaks below here. If this don't hit back up, we'll get ready to close it. Let's see. We're gonna take a 20. Uh, yeah, let's just take the 20 and run. What? Concentration risk. I just want to close. Close position. Review and send. Reduced. How can they not let me close? Hang on. Oh, it's hang on. Got to collect them both. There we go. Okay. Oh shit! It fucker filled right away. Damn. Okay. Um. Well, that was fast. I probably did something wrong. That's why I lose money. Because it only gave me 16, but I had it set for 20. See what it says. Yeah, so $16 today. Yeah, my day trade counter's still at 4, so I cannot day trade this account. Um, I can open another trade, but I can't close it on the same day, which scares me. So I don't do that. Okay, let's go 1 month out. See what we've done so far. Yeah, so there's where I started at the $92, and then I had a couple ups and downs. You know, all AI at first, and I tried some futures trading on my own because I was out of day trades and I lost money. And then got back on AI. Same thing here. Didn't listen to AI, and then back up. I don't know why there's a down here. 208, 207. It's weird. Oh, well, I'm back up to 200 here. Hmm. It doesn't show me losing money, but somehow I have. Oh, maybe it's the commissions. Commissions are getting me, unfortunately. Um, okay, let's go take a look at Webull because I do have day trades in there. Uh, okay. Okay, so this is bounced back up. It's only down 80 cents. Go back to Gemini. See what Gemini has to say. Okay, tell it closed AMD for 1650. Not sure why it filled at 1650. I had a limit. I put it in a limit order. I had a limit order. Keep that up. Let's keep looking at Webull real quick. Yeah, it's down, so it's down $1 now. I have a feeling that's going to be a good trade. See things like that, which are frustrating. I put the order in the limit order, and I moved it to where it said 20, and then it filled at 1650 immediately, which pisses me off, to be honest. 'Cause I bet you if I go look at trading AMD, let's see what it's trading at right now. Well, see, it's pulling back some, so it's at 205 now. So I don't know. We'll continue to watch it and see if it was a bad move, but okay. Uh, let's look at IWM. It's currently at 72-cent loss. It's down. I want to get these trades done for the day. Get them in and get this one IWM one in and go get some food. I'm hungry. And Molly, I'm sure Molly's hungry, aren't you, girl? Come here. You hungry, huh? You want to be a movie star? Say hi. Or you want to play? You want to play ball? You want to play ball? In a minute. Okay, let's see what AI is saying here. Okay, so now it was saying it doesn't. I sold AMD, so I don't need a hedge. Um, anything you're starting a brand new flight with the market. Um, okay, you are green. The market is choppy. It's telling me to stay out. Uh, call it a day. You have a perfect episode too. Because I told it I was going to put this stuff on YouTube, so it's telling me just chill out. That sounds good to me. I'll be honest. If I'm going to do this and listen to AI, I got to listen to AI, and I will say okay, and that'll give me some tasty day trades. Uh, okay. Well, I guess that will be the end of this video. Uh, let's get rid of this here. And I don't know if anybody watched the first episode and became a subscriber, you will be watching this one hopefully. If not, I will just keep doing it to nobody, which is fine too. And I'll always hopefully have Molly here for everybody to look at because she's so cute. Definitely. Oh yeah, she loves it. She's fun. Anyway, I'm gonna switch over to just me. I'm peacing out. Everybody have a great day. Like and subscribe will be much appreciated. And have a great day.